Okay, here we go. Hi everybody, it's been a minute or so since I've posted a video. I don't know if I'm even going to post it because who knows about if there's an echo in here, or this is the first time I've recorded in the new place I'm living in. And I'm not recording in a place I think I would record. It's a big room, it's not a little room, so there might be a little echo in here. And there might be some interruptions from cats who like to crawl on the table. So we'll see how it goes. Like I said, I've been away for a little bit, like months, a few months. That's just a little bit, right? What is time anyway? It's nothing. But yeah, I moved and out of a little apartment into a 3-story house. And it was pretty chaotic. And chaos still abounds, and I'm still not unpacked. I've been in the house for about 2 months. And, now there's going to be holidays and, all kinds of things. So it's fine though. I'm living. I'm fine. And thank you anybody who reached out to me and had some concerns about where I was. I'm fine. Thank you. I appreciate your concern. But I'll survive. And I'm fine. How many times can I say that, right? Who are you trying to convince? Anyway, today I have a little unboxing. I'm going to kind of phase away from unboxings because, number one, I've kind of stopped getting a lot of my boxes. And number two, I don't think it's my ultimate, niche. Doing unboxings, it's just not my thing, really. But I like to unbox things. Let me tell you, when I moved, I had stacks and stacks of boxes, like subscriptions, and they were just waiting and waiting. I'll do it. And it came to the time I just had to unpack because there was like a stack to the ceiling of these boxes, and I just had to unpack them by myself. So I thought today I got this box, and I'm gonna try to do another one on air. So it's Witchy One subscription box. It's like witchy jewelry, trinkets. Usually there's a crystal in there. They used to have their logo on the bag, and I noticed that they don't have that anymore. Maybe people were like, oh no, they're gonna find out I'm a witch, kind of thing. But it was a cute logo, so I don't know. Trying to be discreet, I guess. I'll have all the information in the description below. This is what month is it? November box. This is November. And I have loved every little box that I get. I mean, it's just so cute, the whole thing. And here's the postcard with the descriptions are here, so I'll just put that aside for now. So we've got some art on a postcard. And we've got twine. Free twine, yay! And here we go with a little box. Oh, sticker. Oh, I see something right away. It's an enamel pin of kitties. Oh, speaking of which, hello. Stormy. Go away. Come on. Okay, please don't take a bath right now. Okay. Anyway, there's a moon on this one, or there's a sun on this one, and a moon here. They're like almost a yin yang. So it's kitties. It's a pin, an enamel pin. We have earrings for pierced ears. That's it. What do they call that? The triskelion or something like that. Do not. Oh, kids, for kids. Okay, they're earrings. I'm not sure what they're made of. But, oh wait. Oh, and here comes the other one. Hi, Asia. Okay. It says, Blessings, Beauty. Your earrings and bracelet, oh, I guess there's a bracelet, are made of stainless steel. Get out of the box. Get out. Yeah. Get. She's got to sit right in the box. Anyway, so I'll go to this one. Well, that's their logo, Witchy One. See, this is not a good idea, filming here. Go over here. Why don't you sleep like other kitties? Come on. You may think I'm being mean, but I'm not being mean because they have been up for like 24 hours and just wreaking havoc. Go take a nap. Hey! Don't scratch that. Yeah. Asia. Oh, look, we have a bracelet here. Looks like one of those global things. I don't know. This is also stainless steel, along with the earrings. Okay. We have that bracelet. Let's see if we can get through this quickly. Asia is very interested. Okay, we have, I know what this is. This is peridot. Peridot chip bracelet. It's a stretchy cord. I used to work with peridot chips. That's how I know so quickly. It's also called olivine when it's in rock form. Oh, no, Stormy. She's moving the camera by rubbing her face on it. Oh, this is a disaster. Yay. Okay. And we have a bag. It's a very nice bag. It's a cloth. Usually you get those organza ones, and they always feel so fake to me. I don't really like them that much. But this is like fabric, like cotton. Oh, I know what this is. What's the name of it? Zeolite? Because I had ordered it months ago. I actually have it in my video, a cluster of zeolite and a cattail. Come on. It's in one of my previous videos. I ordered it from a company on Etsy called Jewels of the Moon, I think it was. And it was a big cluster, like a palm-sized cluster. This one's very nice and sparkly too. What did I get that for? I think because it's very effective in Reiki. I think that's what it is. Okay. This is zeolite. I'm almost positive that's zeolite. Oh, Asia. Okay, let's read the card. And the other monster is just all over me. Okay. We have the duality bracelet, they call it. It's time to break the spell of duality in our current world. It's made of stainless steel. Will you please stop? Hold on. She's on my computer. She's starting videos that are like queued up. And we have the peridot bracelet. Invigorates and instills grace. Grace? Yes. The Triskelion earrings. I was right on that. They are also stainless steel. One of the oldest symbols of spirituality. I say we wear these earrings as an amulet for manifestation. So, good. Manifestation's always good. And we have zeolite cluster. Zeolite is what I liken to a sanctuary in crystal form. That's what it does feel like. It's very peaceful, like you just want to live in it. And it does say here that it's also good for Reiki, and it's like a miniature healing temple. So that's why I got it, and I'm so glad I got it. This is beautiful. Look at that. Look at the sparkles. I love it. And the twin cat pin. I included these lovelies for their magical presence. It's funny, 2 cats, right? And I have 2 cats that made a guest appearance. Okay, I have this box. I got it off of Crate Joy, but there's also, there it is. You can go to witchyone.com, and there's a quote on the side. A simple thank you has magic. It changes moods, opens doors, and warms cold hearts. Unknown author. It's very nice. So that is the box from Witchy One. I think it's $20 a month on Crate Joy, and it is just the tastiest little witchy trinket jewelry kind of box, and I love getting it all the time. And saying that, I have actually canceled this box. Not because I don't like it or anything. I love it, but I had to cut back a little bit on all these expenses I've had lately, and with the holidays coming and being here and everything. So I just cut back on a lot of my boxes, but as soon as the new year starts and all this is over, I am going right back to this box. I'm just taking a little tiny break from it for a month or 2. So I really appreciate this box, and I think it's adorable. And it's like everyday stuff you can wear, you know? There's another jewelry box I used to get, the Witch's Bounty, that had beautiful pieces in it, but it's like something I couldn't wear every day. It's just like too, like like they're very expensive pieces, you know? But these things, they're high quality and they look pretty, and you can wear them like on an everyday basis. So that's what I love about this box. It's very cute. It has cute little things in it, and it's just enough to satisfy you. So it's a nice little snack every month if you really want something like that. It's just right. And I'm going to end the video with that because my cats are up to their no good tricks again. They're little devils, little devil cats. And I will talk to you later. Bye.